Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to solve Practice Problem 1.4, one of the official practice problems provided on the SOLIDWORKS website. If you haven't watched the previous videos in this series yet, click the link above to catch up. And if you're interested in SOLIDWORKS or currently learning it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps support the channel and allows me to create more content like this. Now, let's get started. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more SOLIDWORKS practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next video.